School of Wilayah.
Lesson 9. Only seek Allah Azza wa Jal's pleasure.
You should try always to seek the pleasure of Allah Azza wa Jal and only Allah Azza wa Jal. Everything you do in your lives should be for the pleasure of Allah Azza wa Jal and no one else. Remember that Allah Azza wa Jal will reward you, and you can be sure that His reward will be better than any that anyone else can give you. A long time ago, there lived a wise man called Luqman. Luqman was not a prophet, but he was so wise and respected that there is a surah in the Holy Quran that is called by his name. Once Luqman told his son, "Do not pay attention to what people say. Instead, tell yourself always to seek the pleasure of Allah Azza wa Jal." Although his son had listened to him, Luqman wanted to make sure that his son understood this lesson properly and would never forget it. So Luqman got a donkey and told his son to ride it while he followed on foot. His son obeyed him. After traveling for a while, they came across a group of people. On seeing the son riding the donkey while his old father was following on foot, the people said how rude and bad the son was for making his father walk while he sat on the donkey. Luqman and his son heard what the people were saying, and so the son got off the donkey and Luqman got on. After traveling for a while, they came across another group of people. When they saw the father riding the donkey while his young son was following on foot, the people said how bad and selfish the father was for making his son walk while he sat on the donkey. Luqman and his son heard what the people were saying, and so Luqman got off the donkey. After traveling for a while, they came across another group of people. On seeing the father and son walking with the donkey beside them, the people said how silly they were not to ride the donkey. Luqman and his son heard what the people were saying, and so they both got on the donkey. After traveling for a while, they came across another group of people. On seeing the father and son both riding the donkey, the people said how cruel they were to make such a small animal carry such weight. Luqman and his son heard what the people were saying, and so they both got off the donkey. Luqman then turned to his son and said, "You have heard and seen what the people said. Do you now understand why you should only try to please Allah Azza wa Jal?" The moral of this story is, do things for the pleasure of Allah Azza wa Jal and no one else.